Puronics makes it clear to see what a better place the world can be. Great tasting pure water, straight from the tap.
Hi, I'm Jeff Atkinson. For over 60 years, Puronics has been leading the way in the water purification industry. We currently design and manufacture the most advanced and effective systems available on the market today. The technology used by Puronics is currently benefiting NASA, the U.S. government, businesses both large and small, as well as residential homes just like yours. At Puronics, we understand better than anyone the value of high-quality water and the difference it can make to you and your family. That's why we are dedicated to making great-tasting, high-quality water an affordable reality for everyone in America. In the next few minutes, we'll show you many things you probably didn't know about the water in your tap. And we'll hear from some families who have already experienced the amazing benefits of having a Puronics system in their home. Stay tuned.
My wife and I, and even the kids, we love the Puronics system. And every time people come over and they ask us, how come our water's so good? I always tell them, hey, you've got to go and see these guys at Puronics.
One of the main differences I've noticed is my skin used to be really dry, and I used to break out and I'd scratch, and I'd keep my husband up at night. Because I'd be scratching my skin, and ever since we got the water system, my skin hasn't been bothering me.
As far as washing the vehicles, that's where I've really noticed it. That you know, because I like my car's looking good. Hose them off, and it doesn't spot. You know, it sheets off real nice.
Definitely, I noticed a change in my skin. My skin felt softer and smoother.
It's just really useful, and you know, it's great that we don't have to buy bottled water.
We're on well water here in this particular area, and the taste has improved dramatically. I did try the water before the system was installed, and it's quite a difference.
In this type of establishment, well, food preparation, we use only the best, highest quality ingredients, fresh ingredients. So we expect everything else to go with that, including our water, to be the best that we can get, and to get a good quality from the water. You know, we use the Puronics system to help to filter out the minerals and the deposits to nice clean water. It helps my dishwashing machine, first of all, so it doesn't get buildup. Everything makes the glassware, the plateware come out cleaner, and just cooking with it, you get a cleaner product, cooking with the system. It's consistent, it always works. We haven't really had a problem with it. I mean, it's there. It's one of those things that is there, you almost forget about because it does its job and it's there.
My shower is much cleaner. I don't have to put so much lotion on my legs anymore, which is nice. My laundry soap lasts much longer. My laundry looks whiter. It's just been a great thing. I'm glad that we did it.
Shampoo lasts longer. You lather up more. I mean, you know, I've got the car behind me as a testament to what I wanted. I got Puronics to put a soft water bib or hookup in my garage so I could wash the cars with soft water. It's an absolute no-brainer.
They came out and did a very thorough job, really focused on what was important to us, the quality of the water in our house, the longevity of the pipes in our house, and most importantly to me was the drinking water demonstration that they did. We drink quite a bit of water, and I think that was the thing that sold me on it.
We're here at Gordon Beer's Brewery Restaurant in San Jose, California. We're about to make some beer for the day. Water makes up 95% of my product. Water is so important to the process that we probably use 5 gallons of water for every 1 gallon of beer we make. Since we're using so much water in the brewing process, we have to make sure that our water is of the best quality. What we do to our water is run it through a Puronics water conditioning system to drop down the mineral content and make the taste a lot cleaner, a lot smoother. That, in effect, turns our beers into a much smoother tasting beer. We, of course, have a barley and alcohol and hops in there, but most of what you're drinking is really water. At Gordon Beers here, we've been making beers for 17 years, and people keep coming back. They say it's because of the beer. And when they do, I tell them, well, it's because we also use really good water. Puronics water, to be exact.
The history behind the company, the other commercial entities that use it, you know, Coca-Cola, NASA. I mean, that's pretty impressive when you are using maybe similar system to what those organizations are using.
After we installed the water system, I mean, the water has been so crisp, and I mean, it tastes like nice cold, water right out of a stream, or what you'd imagine from a stream. It's really, really, I mean, it has completely eliminated all of that chlorine, that heavy chlorine taste.
It's such a huge difference. The water's so nice and soft. Your hair is much easier to manage, and the cleanup is much easier. The showers don't get corroded. I don't have to clean them nearly as often.
Well, here at the Fairmont Hotel, we demand a better quality than some other hotel brands, so we need water conditioned for our laundries, for our guest rooms, and for our cooling towers, and also for the boilers. The equipment stays cleaner. We save a lot of money in the laundry because we don't need as much soap. The water softener, it cleans the laundry better. It's better in the guest rooms. When housekeeping cleans the room, it's easier to clean with soft water than it is with the hard water like we used to have. We searched many vendors in the past, and we came up with Puronics, and they satisfied Fairmont as the Fairmont standard for this hotel and the best, purest water we can get.
The water was very hard, and we put in a Puronics system and worked great. They were really great to deal with. They were here on time, did what they were going to do, did what they said they were going to do, and it was a great, great installation.
I would recommend Puronics to anybody who has a restaurant, their house, business that relies on good quality water.
We'd absolutely recommend Puronics to our family and friends.
It's made a real change for our lives, I think, because using less soap, don't have to buy bottled water, and just tastes great.
Puronics was really easy for me to work with. They came out in a reasonable window of time. The people were very professional. They installed it quickly, answered any questions that I had, and I really enjoyed working with them.
You know, when Chris and I were looking for a system, we wanted to make sure it was the best. And we didn't want to go through the dog and pony show that was coming over to our house every week. I finally settled on Puronics because the person on the phone was just real easy. When the representative came over, it was cut and dry. They gave us a very good deal. They gave us a very good product. When they installed it, it was very, very simple, and their service is fantastic. I wouldn't have gone anywhere else.
From all of us at Puronics, I'd like to thank you for taking the time to watch our program. None of the people you've heard from today were paid for their appearance. They're just some of the thousands of satisfied Puronics customers happy to share their experience using our great products. Now you can experience the difference of great tasting, high quality water in your home. From Puronics, the leader in water solutions.
Puronics makes it clear to see what a better place the world can be. Great tasting pure water, straight from the tap.